Today we are going to look at quadratic equation by completing the square method. Now in this method, there are some rules to follow. Now remember, whenever you're given a quadratic equation, first thing you do what is write the general equation of the quadratic equation and identify your A, your B, and your C. So in this situation, what we have it as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We now know here our A plus 1, our A equals to 1, our B equals to 6, our C equals to 4. So the rules for solving quadratic equation using complete square method are here below. We're going to follow these 5 steps. First step says move C, whatever your C is, to the right hand side. Second step says divide both sides by what? A, which is the coefficient of x squared. Third says add b over 2 all squared to both sides. Fourth step says take square roots. The fifth one says solve for x. So we're going to use all these 5 steps. So now to our first step. Said what? Move C to the right hand side. It means our C is 4. So in this equation we'll be having x squared plus 6x is equal to what? Minus 4. So follow this step by step and you'll be good. Second step says divide both sides by A. Our A here is 1. So it means we're going to be having the same thing. We're dividing everything by 1. You see we're having x squared plus 6x all over 1 is equals to minus 4 all over 1. So our third step, what does it say? Add b all over 2 all squares to both sides. So our b here is 6. So we're adding it to both sides, b only over 2. So here we have x squared plus 6x. Here our b over 2 means 6 over 2, right? Which is the same thing as what? 3, we're adding to both sides. 6x plus what? 3 squared is equals to minus 4 plus what? 3 squared added to both sides. So we continue, we have to finish it. We have it here as x squared plus 6x. We leave that as 3 squared is equals to minus 4 plus 9. This one will give us what? 5. So now I wrote this equation down, right? It tells you that here, for completing the square method, for it to be a perfect square, p squared, which in this situation, after it has expanded, it came to this. This expansion is similar to what you have here as x squared plus 6x, what? Plus 3 squared. Similar to that. So if it's a perfect square, it means that our p squared is equal to whatever we have here as b all over 2 all squared for us to represent it in this format. So here we have this. We now have to bring out here as our x. This is now our 2p over 2 squared plus 3, right? All squared is equals to 5. So what's the next step? Take what? Square roots. So our first step says take square root. It means x plus 3 is equals to plus or minus square root of 5. So our fifth step says solve for x. So for our fifth step, take solve for x, it means our x now is equal to what? Minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 5. That's how you solve completing the square method.